Hello friends, welcome to Train Your Mind. This is SATYA MANDAL, your mind power trainer, NLP expert and counselor. I am very much thankful to all of you for your unconditional love and support, due to which it became possible for me to be a member of American Union of NLP. It will surely help me in providing all the better resources for your every need. So once again, I am heartily thankful to all of you. Let's start our today's discussion. Today, we will discuss about the second step to activate our inner energy house. Before we are going to start the discussion, I want to tell you two things about the NLP science. This science will work if you have the two parameters. What are these parameters? The first parameter is willingness to change. You should have the willpower to change. If you do not want to change, then nothing can change you. The second thing is your strong belief. Yes, my dear friends, your strong belief. You have to believe on that science, otherwise it will not work. These two parameters are much needed to apply this science on your life. So, tell me one thing, when you are in a severe health problem, what you do generally? Yes, you go to a doctor and take the prescribed medicines. At that time, only one belief is in your mind, that's if you will take this medicine, your fever, your health condition will be better. Like that, you have to believe, you need to believe on every processes, every techniques of this science. Then only this science will work and give 100% result in your life. So, let us start about the second step. The second step of inner energy house activation is take 100% responsibility. Yes, taking 100% responsibility of our own life is the second step to activate our inner energy house. Today, more than 80% people are running behind the failures. But when the analysis is going on about their failures, there is no such factors connecting to the inner world. All the factors which are the outcome of the analysis is from outer world. Like we did not get better resources, we did not get better school or colleges, we did not get better opportunities, we did not get better environment. Yes, these all statements are connecting to the outer world, but not the inner world. This is the main reason due to which we cannot change our failures to success. Do you think that the people with these type of thoughts can be successful if all the resources, opportunities, chances will be available to them? Never, because they are far away from the reality. So, I am going to tell you the reality. The reality is we are responsible, and only we are responsible for everything, every situation, every circumstances in our life. Whatever is going in our life and whatever has happened with us, we are only responsible for all these things. Yes, no outside factor. Only we are responsible for everything in our life. That's the main thing of taking 100% responsibility. That the first question comes to our mind is, what is this? We need to know what is the 100% responsibility. Yes, this is the 100% responsibility. We are only the responsible person for everything happened or happening or will happen in our life. The second thing we want to know is that why we will take 100% responsibility. Because in my point of view, Till the time we will not take 100% responsibility of our own life, we will analyze all the outer factors which could not give any solution for any of our problem. Till the time we will analyze all the outer factors, we will not get the expected results. So we need to take 100% responsibility of our own life. We need to analyze our inner world to get the expected results. Think, if you will take 100% responsibility of your own life to design, to make your environment, to make your circumstances, to create your own chances, your opportunities, then what will happen? You will never create any bad circumstances, any bad environment, any bad chances for your own life. That's the reality. You have to admit this reality and accept it. So now take 100% responsibility of your own life. Whatever the things you have, whatever the resources you have, whatever the circumstances and environment you are living, all are because of you and only you. You are the responsible person to create that environment. You are the responsible person to create that circumstances, to create that opportunities. This should be your thought from this moment. The third question comes to our mind is how we can take 100% responsibility. Yes, my dear friends, to take 100% responsibility, I will tell you some simple steps, 3 simple steps. I will tell you in the later video, in the next video, about the how you can take 100% responsibility of your own life. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it as much as possible so that I can provide you all the resources you need in your life to make it beautiful and successful.